HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so I've picked up a new shift knob. This is a stock one, which was always kind of a lighter wood than all of this anyways, and now there's like a lot of different shades of wood, and I may end up restaining those. But ended up getting a Nardi shift knob here, and this thing looks pretty nice. It's got a good color to it, but sit there, and the Nardi logo on there. So it is Nardi's Italian, so this is kind of like the Nardi hub. This isn't a Nardi wheel, but this color of the shift knob matches the steering wheel pretty good, and it'll match even better when it's over here beside it, you know, not directly. So this just looks way out of place. These don't look too bad with the rest of the interior and the dash, but that looks way too bright to me, but that is the stock one. But I like the way the round ball feels anyways. Shifting wise, I think it'll look a little bit better, a little bit nicer. So get that tossed on there. There's also adapters if you need them, and I don't know which adapter I need yet. So, all right guys, so this one did have a extra fitting up in it. So I'm having to work it off a little bit with the pliers just to get it started on the threads because it backed all the way out of here. It would still go back on. I have to run this back up in there, but you do have to hold this part because it wants to spin every once in a while. Get this backed all the way off, and then we can fit the new one. So I wanted to put that back inside the other shifter, and then we can try the new one here and see if it will work with these factory threads, and it will not. That run straight down, so I have to add one of the adapters, looks like. All right guys, so out of the three adapters, this is the one, this is the thinnest wall. This is the one that fits on here perfectly. And that'll go down to there and stop. Then I can take this, and now it should be adapted perfectly. And there we go. That screws down and then tightens up. Get that nice and tight on there. That's gonna look pretty dang good. Right guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.